What do you do if one of your AirPods are louder than the other? So fixing this issue should be pretty easy, so let's just dive right into it. So there's two different solutions to fixing the volume and balance with your AirPods, and by the end of the video, it will definitely work. So the first solution is check both of your AirPod speakers and make sure that both of them are fully cleaned. So just make sure that there's nothing in the way of the AirPod speakers. And once it's fully been cleaned, check the volume again. And if there's still a volume imbalance with the AirPods, there is a second solution that you could try. And the second solution is to just go onto your iPhone. And on your iPhone, you'll just have to change something in settings. So in settings, go down to the accessibility section. Then in accessibility, you'll have to go down to the audio and visual section. Then go down to the slider bar, and this is basically the balance of your AirPod speakers. So if you move the slider bar more to the right side, then that means the right AirPod will be louder than the left AirPod. So you can basically use this to fix the volume imbalance with the AirPods. So just slide it, adjust it as you need to. And once you fix that, your AirPods should be fully fixed and there shouldn't be a volume imbalance. Now that's all there is for this video. I hope you all found the tutorial helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below any other video suggestions that you want to see next.